Guys, what the heck is up? It has been way too long since I posted my last video, but I'm back. I did something crazy today. I shaved my beard. If you're a follower of the channel and you watched a previous video of mine, you would have noticed I had a big beard. Not really like huge, but you know, pretty big. Come on, let's go. Okay, thanks. But it was pretty big. I've been living the long beard life for over 2 years. I'd say 2.5 years with a big long beard, and I shaved that sucker today. Oh! Well, not totally. I mean, you can see. I mean, but it was a big step. I feel weird without it, but hey, it'll grow back. I'll probably grow it back. You know, like I probably won't shave again. It'll probably. But I have not posted a video in approximately, I'd say, about a month. That's pretty long. I honestly have been losing sleep about it. Every night I'm laying in bed saying, man, I want to make a video. I like doing this. I want to do this. And I've just been super busy. I'm going to tell you right now what has been occupying my time. Me and my wife, we had an amazing baby girl. It's unbelievable whenever you have your first child, and anyone who has a kid will definitely agree with that. So this last month has been crazy, a learning process, a lot of fun, and I don't know, it's great. So take the good with the bad. A lot of good in that situation. And also, I started up a new business. I started a hot shot company in the gas field. I am in southwestern Pennsylvania, where the gas field is booming. You know, that's oil and gas, Marcellus shale. It is pretty crazy right now. They're definitely in a boom, meaning that there is a bunch of work and a lot of money flying around. So I work with my truck here. I haul, you know, hotshot stuff. I'll get into that a little later. I'll do a little video on what exactly a oil and gas field hotshot is. But it's very cool, and it's a great experience. You know, you get to see a lot of things. So that is basically what I have been up to for the past, I don't know, 2 months. I think I posted 1 video in the past 2 months. And I think it's when I changed my oil on this truck, and from when I changed the oil, I'm not sure exactly my mileage. Actually, hold on, I'll check it right here, right now. There it is right there, my trip. Average 15.6, been hauling. Total mileage 17,569. Tomorrow will be the 10-month mark of owning this truck. I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion. Do I still like it? Do I not still like it? I'm very up in the air when it comes to vehicles. I'm not no diehard Ford guy. I'm not a diehard Powerstroke guy. I love diesels though, and I've actually never owned a Duramax, so I can't really speak for those, but I've owned several Cummins and several Powerstrokes, and honestly I love them all. I'm actually contemplating on looking for a Duramax. My mind changes like pretty much like the wind, so I keep a vehicle for a small amount of time. I end up selling it. I want to get something else. I like to try new vehicles, mess with different parts, see what we can do. By the way, this truck is still bone stock, and it makes me sick. I never leave anything stock, and this thing has 17,000 miles on it of pure bone stockness. That's not cool in my book, but you know, we'll get around to doing it. I've just been crazy. It's been crazy for me. So 10-month mark is tomorrow, but first we got to go to the store, get some product. So I was gonna throw all my vehicle care products, and everything I have is like super old and used and pretty much empty. So I said, fudge it. Let's go out and get a whole new kit together with some new car care products. I really like the McGuire's line. This isn't sponsored or anything, but trying that new Ultimate Quick Detailer, because hey, I will be the first one to admit it to you guys. I am super lazy when it comes to detailing a vehicle. I'll clean a truck, you know, I'll wash it, clean out the inside, but like doing a hardcore detail, can't do it. I'll take it somewhere, drop it off, get it done right. Not that I can't do it, I can definitely do it. I just don't like to do it. So that's that. Any quick detailer or convenient, fast products that make your vehicle look good, that's all me. Say what you want. Back to the whole situation here of the 10 months of owning my truck. If you are stopping in for the first time here on the channel, my truck is a 2017 Ford F250 6.7 Powerstroke Platinum Ultimate. So it physically has everything. It has it all. And I am going to give you guys my honest 10-month ownership review. Whether I would keep it, I would recommend it. If I'm going to keep it, if I'm going to sell it, here it is. After 10 months of owning the truck, I have approximately, or not approximately, I have exactly 17,571.6 miles on the truck. I have worked the truck as a commercial use every day, approximately 10,000 miles. First things first, I can tell you that the truck works amazing. I haul moderately heavy bumper pull trailers, you know, no goosenecks or anything, but just bumper pull units that are pretty heavy, ranging up to 16,000. I mean, I don't know, that's not too heavy, but I guess it is, whatever. So it pulls amazing. I did have one incident where I was running my exhaust brake, some super back roads down in Ohio, right over the PA, West Virginia, Ohio border. And the truck was like jerking like that whenever I was going up a hill. It was like you were in a manual and you were like lugging it down low, and it was like, you know, getting ready to stall out on you, kind of jerking like that. It was weird. It was like it couldn't hold boost almost. And I know these have a problem where the cold side intercooler pipe will burst, or the coupling or the hose or whatever will burst, and it will let all the boost escape. You can't really build any boost. So I actually thought that was happening for a second, but it didn't. It went away. I haven't had that issue since, it was a little concerning. I was kind of freaked out. I had a trailer behind me. I was going up a steep hill. I think I was in third gear. I was high in the RPMs, maybe like 3,500. So I wasn't low in the RPMs, lugging it or anything like that. So I don't really know what that was, but it hasn't done it since. So that's a little note there. That's really my only issue I've ever had with it working wise as a commercial use, pulling trailers or hauling equipment or hauling anything in the bed. Never skipped a beat. So commercial use, absolutely recommended. Killer. As for personal owner, daily driver, I love it. This is my dream truck. I pulled the trigger and bought it, and I have never second guessed this thing once. I've actually second guessed owning a black truck, but never this truck. But at the end of the day, I love black, and I wouldn't have traded it for anything. Except for I did make a video about the annoying rattling vibrating noise that this thing had, and I actually figured it out. It's the stupid transmission dipstick kind of vibrating there, and honestly, I'm gonna be straight up with you guys, I haven't even done nothing about that. I found the problem, made a video about the problem, and never did anything. But hey, I've been going through great stuff, and I'll get to it sooner than later. Daily driving, personal use, ownership, love it. The truck has been absolutely amazing. These 6.7s have a ton of power. You can really step on the gas, and you know, if the road's wet, you're gonna spin. Definitely recommend this truck, even if you're gonna daily drive it. The bad things were mainly that weird issue I had with the turbo kind of jumping. It was kind of funny when I was hauling that trailer. And then the vibration noise, which you can probably still hear currently. Other than that, I've had zero issues with the truck. The truck is absolutely amazing. I take that back. One more problem. If you can see down there, that TPMS light on right there. Let's toggle to the tire pressure sensor situation here. So there you go. I have engine hours 582, drive time and idle hours 139. So there you have it. Right there. The front passenger side TPMS sensor is reading 14 PSI. I sell wheels and tires. I deal with TPMS sensors all the time. I don't know what's going on with the thing. I let the air all the way out of it. I pumped it back up. Sometimes the thing will read 0, sometimes it'll read 14, sometimes it'll read 20, but it's messed up. I haven't had a chance to take it back to the dealer. It's probably just a simple fix. They're probably just gonna break down the tire, replace the TPMS sensor, send me on my way. But I haven't had a chance to get that done yet. So, I mean, that's not really a big problem. I'm not complaining about that. That's a simple fix. Overall, 17,000 miles. I wouldn't trade it for anything. And if anyone is looking for a new modern diesel truck, I would highly recommend the 17 and above 6.7 Powerstroke. They are absolutely killer. I love them. They run great. Even the base model, if you just get a regular XL, F250 or 350 or whatever, with the 6.7 powertrain, you're gonna love it. It's basically the same exact truck, just without all the gadgets and gizmos or whatever you want to say. So definitely recommend these trucks if you're in the market. Little side note, the website is up and running, mdm-performance.com, link in description. Currently right now we are only running Powerstroke parts, so you'll have, you know, off-road delete kits, off-road use only, some intakes, tuners, easy links, EGR deletes, off-road use only, and we're going to be continually adding stuff to that website. So if you have a Powerstroke, you're looking for some parts, whether it's a delete kit, an intake, an exhaust, if you want to piece together your own, if you want to get an easy link, if you want to get a switch on the fly for your tuner, we got it. mdm-performance.com. Go check it out. But that's it, guys. That is my 10-month ownership update. I've had zero issues with the truck. It runs amazing. I run it every day. I haul with it. I work with it commercially, and it does not skip a beat. These trucks, for me, come highly recommended to anyone looking for a new diesel, 2017 and up. Killer. I hope this can help anyone out there, or my channel, in fact, can help anyone out there looking or are interested in purchasing one of these 17 and up Powerstrokes. I have several videos going through some basic stuff and reviewing different things and showing you guys, you know, pretty much my perspective of owning one of these trucks. In the future here, you guys might see some more family type vlogs. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing any of that. And I actually did a little test vlog about some family stuff the other day, and it came out great. So if you guys are interested in that on the channel, let me know. But that's it, guys. There's my 10-month ownership overview. 10-month will be tomorrow, the 2nd. I got the truck September 2nd of last year. Tomorrow will be July 2nd. So that would be 10 months of ownership. 17,000 miles in the truck. Absolutely love it. Go get one. If you're on the fence, do it. I don't know if you can see behind me, good old Rita's. 94-degree weather. I'm gonna pick up some Rita's for me and the lady back home. And I'm probably gonna wait till it gets dark and I'm gonna wash this sucker because it is filthy. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep some more videos coming your way. Stay tuned. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, enjoy the summer, and have fun. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!